Hi friends and family, and welcome back to the show. If you are new here, hi, hello, and welcome. If you are not new here, thanks for coming back and returning. So today we are going to be reviewing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is a monthly subscription for $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size items, which you get to customize 3 out of the 5. So if you are interested more in Ipsy or just interested in seeing what's in my bag, then stay tuned. Haha! I always wanted to do the little thing, but look at that. I'm doing all growed up things. You like the intro, huh? It's kind of cool. I'm still working on perfecting it, but yeah. Anyway, like I said, thank you guys for joining. I love it when new people comment down below. It totally makes my day that you found my channel and that we can just have some fun and shenanigans together. So like I said, we are reviewing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the bag for the month of June. I know I'm totally late on this. Probably won't get many views because it's so late in the month. I literally got this on my doorstep last night, and then Ipsy was like, hey, redo your reviews, we're wrapping it up for the month and all of that. And I'm like, hold on, I mean, I haven't even opened my bag yet. Like, simmer down, Ipsy. Like, you gotta send this out a little bit more timely if you want me to review it and follow your little timeline on the app, okay? Anyway. Alright, here is the bag. Super cute. I love that we always get a bag with these. They're really nice to travel with or keep around the house, though, you know, help organize some things. You do receive a card, and this month it is Do You. Bold moves only. Now this card doesn't give you your variation or the pricing, because you do get to pick your items, which I think is why they don't do that. Like, that would be hard for them to do, I guess. So the first thing that I'm pulling out of my bag is the C from Tarte. I am excited to try this. It's the concealer, and I'm so excited. I was really excited to see this in my bag. Super cool. I love that it also could fit in like one of these bags if you were traveling. Oh, I can't even open it. Hold on. Oh, it's not. I thought it was a pop, but it's not. It has a doe foot applicator, and let's put that. Oh yeah, that's a nice color on the skin. Let's blend that in a little bit. Oh yeah, that's gonna match my skin tone really well. So I was really excited to see this in the bag, you guys. I hope you got this as well. Let me know if you did, and how you liked it so far. I'm excited to try this. So there's that guy. Then we have, let's see. Oh yes, this I'm gonna put to the side. Please hold. Sorry guys. Alright, I got the Koss Blushing Beauty Luminous Blush Palette. Oh, see, I didn't even remember what I got. Alright, so I feel like I may have gotten this before. Why does this feel familiar to me? Or like some kind of deja vu. Oh, but that's gorgeous. Ooh, look at that. So you have Cora, Rosy, and Peaches are the name of the colors. Let's go ahead and swatch all 3 of those. Here they are on the fingers, and we'll put it over that concealer just because. And okay, so that middle one, oh, those are gorgeous. The middle one you may have to build up just a tad when you're working with it, but very nice. And I don't know if you can tell, this is where I put the concealer and this is where I didn't. So that kind of gives us an idea too. I love that. Okay, very nice. Happy with that guy. The next one, Cool as a Cucumber Primer. I think this was, yeah, this was one of my choice items, I remember. And I was really excited to see this in there. This is huge. Look at that. Cool as a Cucumber Primer. So, oh yeah. Oh, it's got a nice pump. Ooh, I like it already. Okay, we're gonna put that down here at the bottom of our... Kind of wish I would have got that first, and we could have done the whole thing, you know, on the hand. It does very much smell like cucumber. Let's rub that in the skin. It does feel nice. It does feel, oh, it feels very hydrating actually. I wasn't expecting that. I don't know if this is a hydrating primer. It says the moisturizer and mattifying duo double duty with workhorse ingredients. So the cucumber, which helps to lock in the moisturizing benefits of coconut oil, and then a bunch of other oils. So yeah, I'm happy to see that. Yes. Okay. Then these last two were also choice items. So I chose the Vizzy Art little mini palette. Look how cute it is. It like fits in your palm, and it has like this little, it's like a little wallet case type thing. Like it's probably no bigger than a credit card. And look how cute she is. Oh, this is so adorable. Oh, I love this, you guys. And then it has this little thing. Oh, this is so fun. It even has, oops. So oops, the little stick. It has a little mirror, and then it has like a little cover case on it. So if you did want to put it in your purse, you're protected. It's got all these little cases. And yeah, look at how cute. So I love this. Let's go ahead and do a couple. Let's do these. We're gonna do these two colors here. Ooh, look at that. Just like I barely lightly went in. So let's do that here where the primer was. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, wow. Oh, dang. Dang, that's some powerful stuff. And I still have some on my fingers. Very nice. Oh, I like it. Super adorable, you guys. Okay, and then the last item is this Otherworldly, and this was a choice item as well. And I just thought that this was so pretty. Look at those colors. They're just definitely out of the comfort zone and fun. I loved the green and the yellow, so let's go ahead and we'll swatch those. Ooh, those swatched really well. I'm gonna run out of space here. Oh, those are gorgeous. I can't wait to play with those. You guys, the camera's not even doing it justice. It is so pigmented. So I'm really excited with this bag because guess what? It's all makeup. Like what? I mean, yes, we got this. It is technically a skincare item, but it is really, it's part of the makeup routine. So I'm super excited about this. I don't know if you guys saw my Boxy Luxe. I had like 2 makeup items in there out of like 7 or 8 items. So this was exciting. I did pick several palettes because I didn't like the other choices, but I'm okay with that because I love eyeshadow palettes. So this was a good variation for me. I do want to go ahead and do the recap really fast. So we got this, so we got this palette, oops, where did it go? The blush palette, and the concealer, whoa, the concealer and the primer. So all of these great items for $25. So then what you saw me say, I'm saving this for later, is because I cashed in my charm points, my Ipsy points, and I got the brush set. Look how gorgeous these are. So yeah, I got these. Look at how cute. Now Ipsy does include these in their subscriptions. They'll include just the one brush and call that a full, like it is a full-size item. But these were actually in the Ipsy point room. And I also believe that if a friend signed up, you got one for free. But I actually had enough points to get these, and I had points that were getting ready to expire in August. So I went ahead and grabbed these guys. They're just so pretty, and the quality is great. Look at that, not too flimsy at all. They're actually going to look beautiful down here in my, I'm gonna stick these in here so they look very pretty. So yeah, you guys, let me know what you thought. Do you get this subscription? Are you considering getting it? And did you think that this was worth $25? You already know that I think it is. This month was right on. Also, don't forget that I post clothing hauls on Sundays. I just ordered a crap ton load of Shein. I've got more stuff from Target, some bike shorts, and Walmart bike shorts. Like, I am living for bike shorts this summer, so if you are interested in that, you will want to stay tuned on Sundays for the month of July. Julian. I would love it if you would like, comment, subscribe, share, follow me on Instagram and even on TikTok. I do some funny things on there with my sunshine. I call him my sunshine, S-O-N shine. Anyway, we will see you in our next video.